Good afternoon, traders here in the Philippines, and starting off my afternoon or overnight session. This is the overnight session in the U.S., but here in the Philippines, it is the afternoon. So right now, I'm entering a trade here. Sorry for joining late. I had another meeting, so we'll see if I get stopped out here. But we actually have strong momentum to the downside. So here we are. I was going to try to get more, but I'll take that for now. So with that, I got that one. That's good for I think 150 bucks. Again, our goal is really three. You know what? 300. Let's say. So that was on the ES. You can see a lot of volatility. Look at that big drop when they open the session, the electronic trading session, and now we got a drop there. Not much of a momentum, but let's see if this is. So again, I think I got 150 under that. A little over, which is good. So that's I'm just want to make I'm just want to show you guys where you can at least make 200 if that's already him. I'll show you how much that was. That was you could easily call it a day right now if that's what your goal is. There it is with net commissions 158. That's pretty good for less than 10 minutes. But anyways, let's see what I can do here. I'm trading one contract. Okay, we're trading one contract on and then basically just scalping. And that would have been a good move here. On this is the NQ on the left, and I have ES here on the right. So just maybe looking for just one more trade, and I'm just looking for this great setup. And right now, if you're one of my students, is considered here a V2, but obviously it can be kind of overrun. We'll see. We have some resistance and support here as well. Let's see what's going to come here. Again, if you're one of my students, is like a V2 setup right there. But with so much volatility, it will tend to overrun that. So we'll see if it can come back down. Yeah, it's taking that already. But and like I said, I want to go with the trend. And right now with the trend here, it looks like it's to the downside. But here we're having some pullback here. So you see that we dropped. So we are some pullback. We continued to the downside here, but we had a pullback up. Then we have a. Let's see what's going to happen here. Let's do the Fibonacci's here. If it didn't have enough, yeah, to the blue, hit the okay. So we can go from here. That's what I'm looking at. So I'll put this in mute. Okay. We'll see if we can get another trade here.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
So that I am done for the day. As you can see, that was less than 30 minutes session. And that's why I like the overnight session. It moves nice and slow, but it still moves. Now, let me see if I can find mine. So we should be enough. So there it is. 618 net. 10Q we had 150 on that one we had. So it's still going down. I just want to get a piece of that. So you can see here, I started at 303, ended at 315 or 313. That's 10 minutes. So less than 15 minutes, 618 net. So that is done with what we call the overnight session. And basically what I trade is the London opening, the London market open, but it's the overnight session of the ES, of the E-mini futures indices, stock indices. Okay. So if you want to learn this system, sign up for a free webinar and you'll see exactly the setups that I trade. Talk to you guys tomorrow for the afternoon session or the overnight session in the US. Take care. God bless.